we lose volume in our face, what happens? It starts to go medially, so I'm feeling a little heavy here because I've lost a little bit of my cheek fat. So I asked Dr. Bonakdar to take care of it. So one way to take care of this is to pull it back with a little bit of filler. Definitely more symmetrical. Yeah.
I went here and then with cannula in front of the ear. This side got less. This side got more. And there's a little bit of a.
I'll put ice on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good.